Hey, Glam Kitchen fam, and welcome new viewers. My name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Today's top tier recipe is going to be some tasty, juicy, air fryer lemon pepper chicken drumsticks. Here in the Glam Kitchen, I teach you how to make top tier recipes at home. Let's get into it. Let's get you cooking. A major Glam Kitchen key is that all ingredients and instructions are listed below in the link in my description box. You can find a shopping list so you know everything you need to buy, as well as the actual instructions. I'm starting out with 6 chicken drumsticks that have been cleaned and dried. Let's get this seasoning going. Go in with your Glam Kitchen all-purpose adobo seasoning first. Then a little Badia complete seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning. I love McCormick's Perfect Pinch. That's really the only lemon pepper that I use. Garlic powder. Y'all know I put this on everything. Onion powder. I just feel like garlic powder and onion powder go together. And paprika. It really doesn't have any flavor, but I like it because it gives my chicken color. Now, I want you to go ahead and mix this well. We want all of the seasonings evenly distributed on each of those chicken drumsticks. So take your time, work it in. As you can see here, I'm literally like even putting some of the season under the skin. So don't forget that part. It's just gonna make sure that your chicken is well seasoned. Now, our chicken is well seasoned and ready for the air fryer. I'm going to air fry these at 375 degrees for about 22 to 24 minutes. Please remember that cook time may vary because we're all using different brands of air fryer. I use a Ninja Foodi. We're gonna toss these chicken legs in a lemon pepper butter. So here's a shot of the ingredients for that. This is a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 2 tablespoons of butter, and fresh lemon. Our chicken is done in the air fryer. Make sure that they're fully cooked. It should be over 165 degrees to be fully cooked, as a heads up if you're using a thermometer. Okay, so I've melted my butter and now I'm gonna combine all of these ingredients. I put in the lemon pepper seasoning and I added the butter, and then I'm gonna give it a good mix. Make sure you're mixing this well because you want your lemon pepper seasoning all up and through that butter. And now we're gonna take our chicken out of our air fryer. I want you to pour your lemon pepper butter over that chicken, and you can either mix it, you can toss it, whatever you need to do to make sure that it's evenly distributed on that chicken. Our drumsticks are done and ready to serve. The last thing that I'm gonna do is sprinkle a little parsley and add some lemon slices for presentation. Child, this looks good. It tastes good. You are really gonna enjoy this air fryer recipe. Trust me. If you've made it this far in the video, let me know in the comments what you would serve with these lemon pepper drumsticks. That is a wrap on another top tier recipe, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure that you like and subscribe for more top tier recipes. Thank you again, and bye-bye.